will give you the kind of confidence that nothing.
The first winner of our giveaway is I don't know what to make.
This feels like a good day biscuit ad. Or if it's called Ghibli or Ghibli, I'll tell you. If you add honey in the matcha, it really tastes good. Hello, hi. I am going to be making my own perfume today. What? I love making my own things. But this is just a perfume event. So first of all, thank you so much for the amazing response I have on the giveaway. You've made my life very difficult. If there are 100 people wanting the caps, how do I select? If it was up to me, I would give all of you. All of you. Trust me, if I had 100 caps, I would give all of you. Because, for example, these planters, okay? These planters. In case you can't see it, let me just show it to you. These planters. Somebody asks me, where did you get this? I can say, I made it. I made it. And you will not find this anywhere else. That is what makes making things special. And I want to learn how to make more things. I am going to skip foundation because it's really hot and humid. Also, have you ever seen me actually wearing foundation? Maybe one day you will if I go full glam, which is very rare. I think I went full glam on my premiere, my movie's premiere. That is the last time I went full glam. So yeah, giveaway, right? So what I decided is I cannot decide. I'm gonna let it be a lucky draw sort of a thing because we are fair people here. We're very, very fair. Not in the racist kind of a way. Should we do an eye look or should we do a lip? I have not done actually a red lip in a very long time, so I wouldn't mind a red lip. Let's do that. Let's do a lip look today. Now I was just scrolling through Instagram and that whole Ghibli thing is still going on, dude. If you want to know if it's called Ghibli or Ghibli, I'll tell you, okay? Here's the thing. The Italian word Ghibli is where the Studio Ghibli name came from. So Ghibli basically means this hot air sort of thing, which was also translated from an Arabic word, okay? Yeah, there's a lot of translation that is happening here. That is why there's so much of confusion. The Arabic word was Qibli, which got translated to Ghibli in Italian. And there was also an airplane named Ghibli, apparently. Yeah. And then said artist liked the name, went back to Japan, and decided to name his Studio Ghibli. When he wrote it in Japanese and the way he said it was, I'm not going to have the correct pronunciation, but Ghibli. Okay, so Ghibli. So that is what he said, and that is how you say it in Japanese. In Italian, you will say Ghibli. Now, when it comes to English, you and me, we can say anything. It doesn't matter. Ghibli, Ghibli, whatever. And it's not even about how you say it, right? There are so many people who have DM'd me my own pictures and they've converted it into that art form. I have a lot to say about that, and it's not good. But I'm not going to lecture you about the integrity of art because honestly, I think nobody cares. Generally, I think we don't care about art anymore. But that's fine. I still care about art. I am still an artist. I'll still keep creating art. I know your intentions were good, right? Your intentions are like, oh, I really like this person. Let me turn this person into art. So I'm not mad about it. For me, it's just sad that the original has become irrelevant and the copy is getting. But it's okay. It's fine. I don't think you care. AI is going to keep getting better and better. As artists, I think we have to learn to how to work with it, but also then not lose our own soul and heart that we put into our art. I was talking to my best friend just the other day, and there is this beautiful thing that we do wherein we really have this ritual of affirmation cards. I've shared it before, but this time the question was, what is perfect? What is perfect? And I have to work towards my own perfectionism. I think it was drilled into me at a very young age, and I still struggle with letting go of perfectionism and letting go of that idea that uh, everything needs to be perfect and everything needs to be right and everything needs to be. I think perfectionism is about control. I am a lot more easy going now with if things don't turn out exactly the way I want them to. And I think that is why things have started really working out for me also, is because I have just let go of that control of, I need it to be this way, I need it to be that way, and it has to be this way. So yeah, now things are just happening on their own, and I'm just almost just doing my job every day. And seriously, what is perfect? I think life is perfect, nature is perfect, there's so much of things you can see and learn and observe, and I think learning is perfect. And also we are all always chasing these beauty standards and these, like, body standards. Oh my god, we are getting deep, we should not. But no, we are all always like looking at ourselves and being like, this is not enough, this is not enough, I need to do this better, I need to do this better. When it's never going to be enough. When you just stop and think to yourself, you know what, I love this body that I have, I love this life that I have, honestly, it starts to turn perfect. And it's always about the perspective. I've always said it's always about the perspective. You can either look at something and be like, this wrong with it, or okay, this is right, and can I make this better? Okay, do I want to make it better? Okay, it's about, do I want to make it better? And with me, it's always been about learning, it's always been about getting better, it's always been about how can I get better. And that's a good thing, that's not about perfectionism, that's not what I'm talking about. I think learning is better. I think that if you decide I am better, you are going to start to do things that make you better. Base done. Now you could have the best base, but your powder could ruin it, honestly. Feels like I'm getting ready with a friend. When my friend comes to visit me, she doesn't know this, but getting ready together is my favorite thing. I've not told her this. So shh, don't let her know. When we're both doing like our makeup, and we're both deciding what outfit are we wearing for the day. That is my favorite part. So don't tell her, okay? I haven't told her this yet. She thinks probably talking to her is my favorite. But it is. Talking is also is my favorite part. But it's the getting ready with her. That is my favorite part. And now I get to do it with you. If you are also, going out somewhere, start your makeup with me. Get ready with me is about you also getting ready. So if you have somewhere to go. If you don't, it's fine. You can just grab like a matcha, chai, coffee, whatever is your favorite beverage, and just sit with me while I get ready. Today is such a cloudy day, and look at my level of delusion. I'm like, I said I don't like summer, and God has made. Yeah, have that level of delusion. Sometimes it's good. Just think that God Himself or herself actually is making the weather change because I don't like summer. Yeah. Should I tone down this delusion and some people may call it narcissism? I will not. I will never stop believing. And I'm telling myself it's going to be a good day. When I'm forcing myself, I'm forcing it to be a good day. Even if it's not, it's fine. But I'm putting the intention out there. It is going to be a good day. It is going to be a good day. Yes. Yeah, feel better. This feels like a good day biscuit ad. If you have textured skin, like if you have tiny bumps on your skin, don't use powder highlight. The powder highlighter will make it worse. It will actually highlight those textures. So if you want to use a highlighter, actually take your liquid highlighter, mix it with your moisturizer, mix it in your hands, apply it on your face. I can't do that because Bombay is already very humid. I do that during the so-called winter that we have in Bombay, and it'll give you the most gorgeous glow. Skip the powder highlighter if you have textured skin. It's the worst thing that you can do. Yeah, okay. Should we do eyeshadow? We should do something. We should do something. Literally my own skin tone. You can't see it, I know. And a little bit brown on the lower side. So I get a little bit of a eye definition. I don't think I ever skip this step. Yeah. Look a lot bigger than they are. That's why I love makeup. This much of a wing. Oh wow. Oh. Okay. Just like non-existent wing I'll do. Yeah, just that much. Connecting and pulling it up. Yep. It's a non-existent wing, but it elongates my eye. It's not even there. If you're looking at me like, did she do a liner? Did she not do a liner? Hmm. Yep. Yep. The look is the lips. Let's do the lips. Okay. Look at this. Look at this. What an aesthetic eye. No, so what an aesthetic lip liner, guys. You know I love aesthetics. But no, I love aesthetics. I'm making fun of myself only now. It just happened. A red lip is not everybody's cup of tea, but a red lip will give you the kind of confidence that nothing will give you. Smudge this out so it doesn't look that harsh. I'm gonna have to carry this lip liner. Oh god. Okay. Always take the tip of the mascara, run it nicely, and then use the body of the wand. That is my mascara tip for you, and see how what a change you will see. My voice just went so deep after putting the red lip, like, see what a change it will make. So for hair, I'm thinking like I want some kind of a headband, some kind of, maybe I'll wear a scarf as a headband, or I'll actually wear a headband because it really just goes with the look. Okay, options. Should we do this? Yeah. Or, whoa, should we do one of these? I think this will be easier, not gonna lie. This? I think it'll be easier, no? If I just did this. Hmm. Interesting. Flock? Sorry, lock. Fall out? No. Tell me. With a scarf, that might actually work. So when you're tying your scarf, you first have to put all your hair away. It's gonna tie better that way. Trust me. Actually, I like the scarf more. Let me just fix this and come back. I have done this hair scarf hack, the pin wala. Go check that out if you haven't. But I'll fix it. Okay, I put the scarf, and the reason I like the scarf more than the hairband is because the blue in the scarf goes with the blue in my skirt. Today is a blue day. By the way, blue is my favorite color. What's your favorite color? Actually, not blue. My favorite color is Prussian blue. It may be confused with navy blue, but it's not navy blue. It is Prussian blue. It's a darker blue. That is my favorite color. Why am I talking like this? I'm just happy today. I'm happy with my look. I'm happy with my hair. I'm happy with my makeup. And I still have 1 hour before I leave. What do? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Matcha पी लेते हैं. Just matching the car. perfume making. But we will learn today. Oh, this is nice. Okay. Bro, honestly, I'm confused. I don't know what to make. I don't know. Meet Aparna. I don't know. I'm so lost. What to do? I have this, but I don't think I've smelled all the fragrances yet. I think I have it. So I'm going for the musk saffron, no, musk amber saffron as my base note. Okay. If this turns out, I'm sorry. Okay. How many drops of base note? Yeah, you can. Ooh. Okay. How much of my heart note should I take? All same. All same. Okay. So for the heart note, I'm taking gardenia marigold and basil sambac. Okay. So this is for my top note. I'm taking sarawak maso. Okay. And I think I should shout actually, you might not be able to hear me. Now for my top note, I'm taking Sarawak Maso and I'm going to take very little of it, not repeating my mistake. Okay. It's fresh. It smells very fresh. What is this? I don't know. Oud mud to make it like a little sexier, maybe. So I have my mixture. I've let it sit for a while. Let it simmer. Okay. No, put this in the bottle. Okay. So I'm going to put the oil in this. Please don't fall. Please don't fall. Please. Okay. Perfect. I am a perfume connoisseur now. Now I'm getting the alcohol and I'm scared. Ah, it's so difficult. We'll do it slowly. Oh, that's a lot. That's a lot. That's a lot. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Now I close it up and I shake it, okay? And then I let it sit. Let's hope it's good. I don't know. Okay, so the first winner of our giveaway is Akshara Kasotia. I just did a lucky draw and I got the name and I'm so excited. Congratulations. DM me your address so I can ship it to you. And there are 4 more left. And yeah, I cannot wait to see who's going to be the next one. Also, the perfume I made is so bad. It was my first time. Let's see if I can be better. But this one is not. Yeah, it's not good. But I had a lot of fun. So much fun. And I'm stuck in traffic. Wait, I changed my mind. This is actually good. Maybe because I had smelled like so many fragrances, it wasn't like smelling good. But it's been a few hours. I gave it a few hours and then I smelled it again. It is good. It has that freshness. It has that jasmine, that tulsi, the everything that we like. It is actually good. I changed my mind. I did not fail.